and Angel. Today we're doing sand animals in our blue sand. Whoa.
Yes.
We have our blue beach sand. Are you ready to put animals inside?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. First, Erin has a zebra and Angel has a giraffe, a tall giraffe. Whoa. Now Angel has an elephant and Erin has a Bengal white tiger and a tiger. Angel now has a camel and Erin has two rhinoceros, a mom and a baby rhinoceros. Oh, I love that camel, Angel. It's super nice. And two rhinoceros. We have a unicorn. We also have a woolly mammoth. We have a flamingo. A reindeer, a shark. We also have a really pretty chameleon, a crocodile, a grasshopper, a tortoise, a hedgehog, a chipmunk, a goat, a baby crocodile next to the mama, and a dolphin. We have a scorpion and a lioness, baby cub. We have a little dory fish and a harp seal. Okay friends, these are all of our cool animals in our blue sand. Thank you for watching.